right, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check. Okay, is my sounds coming okay before we start our section today? All right. So do let me know if my sounds coming okay by typing one for me. Okay, looks like today still got plenty of opportunity, right? Well, today based on my so-called, just let me probably show you over here. Lah. So based on my pullback alerts and screener, looks like today we got a so-called a new group, okay, of stocks coming in already, okay? So that's why it's very important, right? We do always, monitor the markets to see what is the new potential that we have, okay? Don't always try to chase high because sometimes it's a bit risky to do so. Hello, Wong. Okay, good morning. I think today is also this so-called what festival already? The Chinese festival. Okay, that's why today market. I think our group will be a bit quiet lah. But anyway, continue to monitor market. Okay, anything to hood lah. Okay, I think the one that I posted in this so-called Telegram, both to look into it. Today I'm trying to go into MTech. Actually, MTech. I didn't aware, Friday it closed wrongly because Friday I think I'm busy also. I cannot recall why I didn't monitor. I think I'm busy with all the cut point, all this. So it actually went up around 4%. So today actually I tried. I tried to part lower, see I can get or not. If cannot get, I think it's okay. Like you mentioned, Insas. Okay, Insas also one of the very good setups. MBSB. Okay, this morning I heard some things very interesting. SIAB. FBSM also worth to watch out. All right, so like I say, plenty of opportunity in the market. Okay, now before I proceed further, just want to share with you this video here. I'm not doing any buy and sell call. Do remember if you want to trade any stock based on this discussion here today, make sure you get your own trading plan. Like for example, I have mine. Just let me put my pens up. If not, get advice from the professional. Okay, so that's very important. Okay. Now, anything that we do, definitely there will be risk. Okay, so be prepared to exit. Okay, if things go wrong. Okay, so let's look into some of the stocks that we do talk about. Okay, in our Telegram. Then, if you got any stock, you just let me know. I also will look into these so-called pullbacks alerts that I have. Okay, if you can see from my screen, few of the stock actually appeared, which I think that I will very interested. Okay, so later we come back to look into this list lah. So, okay, let me just hide this one first. Okay, if you got any stock, you just let me also by comments below. Okay, now let's start with FSBM lah. So this is again some of the stock that I posted up. But I only posted 6 stocks. I know these 6 stocks actually in the market really got a lot. Okay, so we just, again, do a bit of homeworks and then see which one you like it. Okay, it can be probably you choose because due to different sectors. Okay, maybe you already entered 5 or 6 technology sectors, but don't choose technology again. No, you just did different one. Okay. Okay, SSBM. Okay, SSBM. Like I said, last Friday they completed the pullback. Today I think it dropped. Okay, this is 10th of June. Volume so far a bit high. Yeah? Okay, actually SSBM I interested also, but just that this morning I parked MTech first lah. I tried to get MTech first. If let's say didn't get, only I switch to others. If I get ready, I still got fun actually, but just that I don't want to enter everything in one go. Okay, so let's say today it's still staying above this support. I think it's good. Okay, where can I get pullback alert? Actually, XIFU got pullback alert. So once you, if you are new, you can get the 30-day free trial. If not, you just subscribe to do and get a month. Okay, you can get the full the free pullback alert. But of course, now my pullback indicator almost ready. Okay, if you have followed my Telegram, sometimes I do post out the signals, right? That's the one is the pullback signals. Okay, but my programmer probably need another 1 or 2 weeks before I can release that out. Okay, so that one also, how actually I use that, okay, to trade something like HE group, cut points. Okay, hopefully moving soon we'll see more of this. Okay, so let's look into FSBM first. This will be your S1. Okay, S1. Do remember supports is a price range. Okay, it's not price level. Okay, so for me, as long as the price still staying above the Friday candle, I think still good for SSBM. But I hope that the volume is slightly lesser if let's say it's down bar. If let's say closing above here, I think it's a good sign also. Okay, again, similar MTech. Okay, similar MTech. If you look into MTech, right, Okay, if you look into MTech, actually MTech, I thought that yeah, Friday going to be sideways. That's why I didn't really pay attention to it. Okay, so if you look into MTech, right? So this day actually is a pullback complete. Okay, remember I say that right in Telegram. So this candle here, even though the volume is high on down bar, but it closed it up. Okay, something that you want to watch out also for FSBM. Okay, so Friday also, actually Friday morning, I thought it dropped lah. So that's why I thought, okay, this one maybe still got time because of high volume here. Okay, I thought there's still got time lah. It still will range around 140 area. So yeah lah. I think Friday I'm busy with Cloud Point, HE. Then I didn't really pay attention to it. So it shoot up by 4%. I didn't realize also until I think Saturday or Sunday someone asked me about MTech only. I saw it. Hey, it goes up. So okay, actually I part 140. Okay, let's see whether got luck or not today. No luck is fine. Okay, no luck is fine. I just going to switch to other. Okay, so there's SSBM and MTech. Okay, both pullback completed. Like I say, FSBM today drop, but so far volume is first hour I think is a bit high lah. So maybe you can wait until 4 p.m. Okay, to see something like MTech is forming. Then probably you want to check it out. Okay, so Pasukas. Okay, Pasukas. I think last week you have some so-called news. Okay, about their also venturing into DC. Okay, DC project lah. Sorry, Pasukas. Okay, let's turn to Pasukas. Okay, now, of course, normally once news out already, I don't really like that. Okay, but there are a few reasons why I probably will focus. Okay, again, depending on whether I still got the money or not later on. Okay, so first of all, gap up. Okay, gap up, this range here hold gaps. Okay, this range here hold gaps. So which means this one maybe still bole lagi. Okay, of course here, because I'm profit taking, so that's why they hit resistance right now. But this current resistance over here, first of all, I don't see any weakness. Okay, I don't see any weakness. Second, it actually dropped. Okay, last Friday it dropped, but with low volume. Okay, of course, I'm not going to enter this price. Okay, for me, it's not the risk to reward is not that ideal. Okay, the risk because this is below 20 cents counters. Okay, so again, if you're trading this kind of counters, really, yeah, you need to ask yourself, you can take it or not the risk. Okay, if you cannot take it, don't do it. Okay, so probably this is the area that I will focus. Okay, so this is like a PS resistance zone here. I hope that they will stay above this level 165 and above 170. Okay, so this is the area that probably I will look into if let's say it really comes to me later on. Okay, so well, let's see how it goes. I think so far the setup is good, but just that first of all, this is below 20 cents counters. I don't really feel very comfortable to enter at this price right now. Okay, so the other one is INSAS. I think Wong asking also INSAS. Okay, I look into CNSB and G-Tronic. CNSB is also in my list. So yes, definitely worth to pay attention for CMSB. G-Tronic, I think G-Tronic last week got a climatic volume. So again, climatic volume change of trend. Climatic volume change of trend. So what I'm looking for right now is a successful pullback. Okay, so similar ECMO. Okay, AGMO, similar ECMO, high volume reversal, successful pullback, it shoot up. Okay, but too bad I didn't follow ECMO. So okay, now here INSAS also. INSAS, there are two ways to look into this chart. First of all, you can notice also there is a potential of so-called change of direction from here. Okay, downtrend line. The other one is so-called shakeout. Okay, so for trending, okay, again, ask yourself, let's say you want trending above shakeout. Low risk, I think currently is okay, right? Probably just need to wait for them to cross this zone over here. Back to this level here, I think better, much more better. Back to this level here, much more better. Okay, so that they can get a chance to retry resistance. Okay, but if you look into short-term time frame, okay, I think it's good at the moment. Okay, volume slowly increasing. Last Friday also they pushed back up again. Today, if let's say still sideways into this area around 1 ringgit and 5 cents area, I think it's worth to look into it. Again, use your S1. Okay, S1 is around 1 ringgit and 3 cents. Okay, so your risk reward is pretty good. Okay, of course, I'm not going to aim this R1. If let's say enter this kind of counter normally, I think R2 or probably you can use this area also. 125 area, I think should be a good area to focus. Okay, JCY MMS sure, but JCY flies so much already, unless you are still holding, Joel. Okay, so yeah, this is a quick one for INSAS. Overall, still worth to look into it. Okay, but of course above the resistance then you will have a pretty good momentum. Okay, so few counter actually having shakeout. FSBM also having shakeout also. Another reasons why if I cannot get N tech, I will look into that. Okay, so you in already in such, okay, good. So if you are in already, okay I think just continue to hold, see whether how the price going to react, okay, towards the resistance zone. Okay, so FSBM, another reason why I want to focus because of there's a shakeout also. So for me, INSAS maybe is somewhere around this area here. Okay, so you need to push above here, then only we can see a bigger momentum. Here is low risk. Okay, here is low risk, but sometimes it's boring. So of course, like I say, we cannot choose based on both world. Like, okay, so something that you want low risk, but fly fly very fast one. So sometimes you want to trade something is boring, slower, but you get the biggest reward. Okay, but sometimes if let's say you trade over here, maybe your risk is slightly higher, but the result is faster. Whether it can goes up or not. Okay, you can know almost immediately, like 1 or 2 days or maybe 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, so but overall, I think SSBN is still pretty nice. Like I said, if I cannot get MTech, probably I will be looking into this. Okay, wait okay, Hatta Lega. I think Hatta Lega today dropped also, but again, volume very important. Drop below volume, I think is still fine. Okay, so for me, last Friday is a pullback complete. I think this one I expect a lot of time really gaps. Okay, nice break, low pullback, low volume, hold well on between 2040s. Okay, and today is, let's see, but so far the first 30-40 minutes the volume considered low lah. Okay, again, not sure until 4 p.m., 5 p.m. But if you haven't entered any yet, okay, I see unit coming also for my pullback screener. Pullback screener got a lot of stocks today. Okay, we wait. Okay, so here, okay, as long as 4 p.m., I think 4 p.m. still hold well above the Friday candle. For those that belum masuk lagi but you want to participate, you can watch out. Okay, you can watch out. Again, I'm not doing any buy call, just something that I want to share with you. What is the things that you can look into today? Okay, but I'm not sure also whether later afternoon, sometimes it's like that, after afternoon 2:30, price shoot up, pop. Okay, like Ocean Cash also same things also Okay, so again, anything you do, ask yourself your risk to reward. Okay, make sure the risk to reward is nice. Then you check that out. Okay, so Denko change of trend a little bit. We got some high volume. Okay, so this one also riding on momentum also for Denko. All right, so okay, now before I go to your, okay, probably I look into Kosan since we talk about glove, right? We go into Kosan, K plus, stock glove. Okay, Kosan very nice also, 40 MA. Okay, this is a bit COC for me. Okay, of course they are trying to go back here but anyway, most of glove the same If let's say one move, the other one follow. Mostly I look into Tata more for glove as well. So for me, I think the side is still good. Okay, pushing back to 20 MA already. So if let's say today hold around 20 MA, okay, I think Kosan is worth to look into that. Okay, let's go into top glove. I think basically the same No much changes Okay summer mostly glove summer punya So if let's say one good, the other mostly is good also. Okay, K plus, let's do K plus. Okay, K plus same things. Okay, for me glove same things. Okay, today you monitor if let's say the candle still above Friday candle, first good sign. Second, low volume. Okay, so if let's say you got these two, I think it's good sign. Still can watch out. Okay, still can watch out. But anyway, support is there. We never know we never know. So make sure you got your own supports, resistance to help you out on that. Okay. All right. For today, I go for my pullback alert first because to be fair, I do really see something is interesting coming out. Okay, so this is my pullback alerts. Okay, so like I say, moving forward, I have the pullback screener as pullback indicator as well. Okay, hopefully by 1-2 weeks it will be ready. Okay, X also macam coming back CCK, but I'm not sure why I still not really that into X. Theta, okay, a few weeks last week, close gap. Okay, it dropped, close gap. Okay, now slowly heading to resistance. I think this one still other chance. Okay, this one still other chance. But too bad right now it's closing to the resistance already. Okay, it's close a bit to resistance already. Okay, now before I proceed further, for those who are here, okay, first of all, thank you for joining me this morning. Help me to click the like button, please, okay, and help me to share this out, okay, so that we have more viewers. Okay, if you like our videos over here, Like Facebook over here, you type a A for me also. Okay, type a A for me also. Okay, success my old stocks. Okay, my old stocks. Let's see how it goes. Okay, this one gap down lah. Huh? One thing I don't like is gap down lah. So if let's say can close gap, I think it's good also. Like RG Tech, DNex, is it DNex? I think DNex or Tetal is one of them. Yeah, if let's say can close gap, I think it's a good sign. Alright, I think still a chance. Okay, but I want to see a confirmation with a close gap. All right. Okay, thank you, Wong. Thank you, Roslan, okay, for your comments there. Okay, PPHB. Okay, this one deep pullback. Okay, this one deep pullback. Oh, nice one. Okay, how many percent today? Today I think it's 4%, 4.5% up already. Volume is pretty good. Considering now it's the first hour. Okay, considering it's first hour. Okay, something that I will probably not today. Okay, probably not, because like I said today I got MTech, I got FSBM to take care already. So maybe if let's say today close strongly, 4-5%, I think it's good. Then tomorrow onwards, I will monitor 90 cents. Okay, 90 cents. Okay, so sometimes like that, it breaks above the trend line, deep pullbacks. Okay, like this. Okay, zigzag, 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 then cross. Okay, so probably we wait for this area here lah. Okay, like I said, lots of stocks so that's why we know Russia. Okay, unless market's super bullish, different things. Okay, K-Seng, okay, K-Seng also nice. Mostly it's pullback. To be frank, you lots of pullback stocks. Sometimes also I don't know how to recommend also because really lots of pullback stocks nowadays. Okay, this one also pullback with gaps. Okay, pullback with gaps. Okay, gap strongly. Okay, of course over here we got one shooting star. Okay, dip slightly lower, hit the 20 MA. Today volume also good. Okay, considering right now is the first trading hour, so volume so far so good. Okay, so Oga Bio, I think yeah, this one also very nice. Lots of stocks are really. Okay, lots of pullback stocks. Okay, what can I say is lots of pullback stocks. Okay, hopefully our market still can sustain for another 2 or 3 weeks. But going up like this also a bit scared. Sometimes you need to have a so-called a wash in the market to sustain a rally. This one is a bit similar SSF. Oh yeah, SSF. Let's check SSF. Whether got pullback or not. SSF also heard story boleh jalan. Unique, I'm not sure anymore. But based on chart, okay, this is a shakeout trades. Okay, successful retest above shakeout, heading to resistance. Can break or cannot, I don't know, but very close to resistance. Setup wise is good. Okay, now if you look into this is again similar FSBM. Okay, a bit similar SSBM. I'm not promoting SSBM. I just want to share with you the setup is same. SSBM maybe will fail, but like I said, it's a bit similar. Okay, so here shakeout. Okay, SSBM currently is somewhere around here. Okay, test how many bar, I'm not sure. Okay, test how many bar, I'm not sure. Okay, but like I said, mostly got shakeout one, it might be test resistance again. So you check from current price to resistance, got how many percent away. If let's say got 10% away, I think it's worth to try out. Okay, how many percent I belum calculate So this is 45 cents. Current price is 38 cents. Okay, definitely more than 10%. Okay, so if let's say you enter here, hit R1, definitely got 10%. Okay, but again, you check whether it's the something that you are looking for or not. Okay, this one also, wow, still trending. Pullback low volume Okay, this one easy to read also. Okay, chart going up. Oops. Chart going up, hits the 20 MA, S1, S2. Okay, so today, if let's say volume later on increase, also consider pullback completes. Okay, for PEM Malaysia. Let's see. Any other? CMSB. CMSB, I think I covered, right? Okay, belum lagi. Okay, CMSB. Actually, CMSB pullback complete on Thursday. I think I posted on Telegram also. Okay, the real pullback complete is on Thursday. So if you haven't entered yet, now is a bit close to resistance already. Again, ask yourself, is this the risk that you're willing to take or not? Okay, so sometimes let's say your risk reward is not that good. What you can do, you check the 8% rules. So this is 1 ringgit 21 cents. This is 1 ringgit 10 cents. okay, to support one. For my current price, to support one, okay, current price is 1.21. Okay, to my support one is 1.10. How much? 1.11. 1.11. So 1.11. So ask yourself, is this a risk that you want to take or not? Okay, so 10 cents. So I think around 7-8% kind of risk. Okay, so if let's say you say no problem, I can take it. I think it's okay. But if let's say it dropped to 1.15, I think it's a good area to watch out again. 1.15. Okay, for CMSB. Okay, overall CMSB is good. Okay, it's a pullback complete, but closer to resistance today. Okay, because going up for two more days. Okay, Ocean Cash also pullback completes, heading to where's the Ocean Cash? This time I thought I saw Ocean Cash. Tak ada. Or maybe I see wrongly lah, or maybe Saipak lah. So Saipak, okay, pushing back. This is a so-called reversal, but this bar here a bit weird. I think this bar the other day we got some good news, right? Okay, of course, when price heading to here, you just watch out lah. Is there any shooting star again? If not, lock profits. Okay, good. If let's say normally this kind of counters, right, you got some resistance at the top. Good to lock some profits. Okay, good to lock some profits. So okay, Lei Hong. Okay, I think we do talk about Lei Hong also the other day. Hey, is it Lei Hong? Sorry, okay. Lei Hong also a bit of VCP pattern is forming. Unique Oga Buyer, I think it covered. Delium. Okay, petrol prices going up. There's a petrol M today shoot up also. Okay, there's a little bit of shakeout happening. Delium. Okay, prices probably increase lagi. I'm not sure Today the diesel prices go up. Hopefully not inflation is very bad nowadays. Okay, now here shakeout. Okay, retest support shakeout. Okay, so here if let's say got retest again, probably can watch out. But anyway, I think Delium is good for some long term also, right? Okay, let's switch to weekly chart. Weekly chart hits the 20 MA nicely, though. So maybe I'm not sure probably sometime it will build another round of so-called like this. This is COC, nampak tak COC? Okay, here got plenty of COC. Okay, here maybe we'll have COC also. Okay, but it's a long-term chart long-term so-called uptrending chart. Okay, long-term uptrending chart. EFOS. Okay, I look into EFOS. The other things is that we can check out is the fundamental financial report. Sorry, this is financial report. Where is my fundamental? Okay, FATA 7 out of 9. Okay, pretty good. Okay, 7 out of 9 actually is pretty good. Okay, so all right. Probably I go for your stock first while waiting for my list to be updated. Okay, so this is so far some of the stocks that it do appear in my so-called daily pullbacks counters. Okay, so far I think few of them are very nice something 2 minutes also. Okay, this one also kept up nicely, but I prefer Oga Bio more. Okay, because it do like a wash around the gap area before they push back up. Okay, MMSV, I think just how Joel mentioned also. MMSV is also a pullback stocks. Okay, in fact, the pullback is actually completed this bar. Okay, notice this bar, high volume. Oh, this one very nice one because it's a pullback with COC. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, pullback. Okay, COC. So this is a PB plus COC. Okay, so for me, yes. Okay, but again, today up so calculate your risk to reward. Your S1 is around here. Okay, for those that who following, S1 around here. Okay, so you all follow Oh yeah, MBSB. Yes, MBSB. Thank you, Wong. I almost forgot. Last week I think I posted out. MBSB also got something. Okay, MBSB also got something. I forgot. Okay, belum lagi It's good. Okay, of course, buying around the S1 area is good. 86 cents, but I'm not sure whether you can get or not. Now it's 90 cents. Still not too bad. Okay, if let's say going to your risk to reward is 1 against 1.2. Okay, so 88 cents I think is quite a ideal area. Okay, but this one I heard, this one not doing buy call. Okay, but this one I heard maybe got momentum. Okay, but based on chart also, I feel that belum game over lah. It's a healthy pullback anyway, holding more on 20 MA right now. Okay, just that this price you want it or not. Okay, so yeah, I think I got few I need to monitor lah. MBSB, MTech, MBSB, Oga Bio. Okay, SSF. Okay, SSF are waiting for first pullback after breakout. Okay, this one also shake out lah. But shake out over already. This one shake out over already. Now you are looking for the first pullback after the break resistance. Okay, so this is previously like a reaccumulation, shake out. Okay, they push it, but this one didn't retest at the sure push up. Now doing the first pullback. Okay, like MBSB also, they're doing reaccumulation, breakout, first pullback. Okay, so this is kind of like a good level to focus. Okay, SSF. Okay, let's go into some of this stock. Bangtel, how is my Bangtel doing? Anyone still following Bangtel? Okay, type 1 yes. Type 1 yes if you are still following Bangtel. Okay, low volume narrow spread bar so far still good. Okay, I still hold half lah. I still hold half. If let's say pull back to 35 cents. Okay, let's say pull back to 35 cents. Low volume. Okay, I might consider to top back up. Okay, but right now not really. Okay, not really, because a few counters actually at support ready for me to enter. Okay, so HG also same things, no complaints. Just continue to write for the rest of my stock, remaining of my stocks there. Top point. Top point, okay, no complaints. Volumes low so far. If let's say it back to 735 level, probably I also consider to talk a little bit more. Okay, the other one is Upstart, slightly a bit boring. Okay, but this one a bit similar like more. I think okay, so far okay, low volume, no complaints. ECMO is the one that actually I also didn't realize it shoot up. Previously, I think we do talk about what's it reversal, successful pullback. Okay, this is actually a nice gap, like D next also. Goes up, pullback. I think Oga Bio also the same things. Okay, before they shoot up further. Okay, let's look into D next. I don't have D next, but I think some of you follow. Okay, retest back to support. But for me, as long as low volume, still ada chance punya. Okay, still ada chance punya. Okay. So, okay, let's look into some of your stocks that you have for me before I go back to my pullback alerts, okay, because I think maybe there's new group of stocks coming later on. Okay, MYEG, same things. I'm going to use so-called daily chart to comment on here. Hit resistance, hit the main resistance. Okay, here, actually hitting the main resistance. So, while currently is doing pullback, but at the top of this resistance, I don't see any weaknesses. Okay, I don't see any weaknesses. Long term, I think it's still good. Okay, if you are looking for short term, you buy previously near support, I think you can consider to lock some profits. Okay, so let's look into MSM. MSM, okay, short term wise, no trend. Rosen, to be frank with you, like I said, whenever this one break, right, first sign, I don't really like that. Okay, based on daily, I know you are looking for long term, but based on daily right now, no sign of reversal. Okay, here inverse pullback. Okay, so no. If you, let's say you want to look for so-called top up ke upper ke, usually it's not a right area to focus. Okay, no sign of recovery yet. Okay, probably sometime it will drop a deeper pullback before they make a reversal, like ECMO or this kind of counters. Okay, let's look into FFB. FFB last week break resistance. I didn't hold anymore for FFB. Okay, so far so good, but they are closing. Oh yeah, it's not closing, they close already. They close the gaps. This one still ada maybe got a new trend coming up also. Belum close successfully sorry Actually still at the gap area, right exactly at the top of the gap area. Okay, so once they cross here, okay, I think the the next R2, the R2 no issue lah. The R2 no issue lah once they cross. Okay, so far so good. They are closing the gaps. Okay, just need to wait for the momentum, okay, to come in. But FFB all this one macam also slow and steady type lah. Okay, so there's FFB. Looking for, I know KC looking for long term, so we look into the FA. Okay, so 6 out of 9. Okay, not too bad lah. 6 out of 9. For me, anything above and above, 5 and above, I think it's good. Okay, 5 and above. Okay, E-Force. Okay, let's check out E-Force. Back to support lah. This some volume is building up lah. Okay, these guys, right? This E-Force, right? Actually, is in accumulation. Okay, it's in accumulation. Volume is building up, but somehow tak boleh jalan. Okay, so I think this one need a little bit time. If you are entered this trade already, or if you are looking to enter these trades, right? Maybe you wait for them to break this downtrend line. Okay, if you are looking for entry lah. But volume, I can sense that okay, if I zoom in here, I mean everyone can see lah here, the volumes are coming up already. And if you ask me a bit of COB also, which means change of the candlestick patterns. Okay, so maybe okay, it's a good kind of stocks to, if you are looking for long term, something that you know you are not rushed, you don't mind to buy, keep boring, something's to a good counter actually to focus. Okay, so somewhere around here I think it's good, because this is still within this so-called triangle over here. 35 cents. Okay, 35.5 cents. Okay, probably is an area that good, okay, to look for low risk entry. Okay, so that's for E-Force. Okay, any other counters? DSN. Okay, let's move to DSN. Okay, DSN also shake out. Okay, so here also shake out. 2 round shakeouts. This is a small one. So here we got one resistance. Okay, so how much is the range? Okay, so this is 65 cents. This is around 70 cents. Okay, less than 10% of range lah. But probably if you want to aim for the breakout, I think it's good. Now, anyway, this is a shakeout stocks. No, like I said, I like shakeout stocks. Okay, here don't have any weaknesses. Okay, up bar with a clean up bar. Okay, pullbacks. If can get around this support level 65 cents and above, I think it's a good so-called risk to ratio. Okay, it's a good risk to ratio to monitor. Okay, so there's DXN. Okay, TTVHB. Okay, so this one also I didn't focus for some time. TTVHB. Okay, failed to break this resistance here. Okay, make a deep pullbacks, slowly coming back. This one, weekly chart, make a big hammer. Daily. Okay, TTVHB feel that short-term trend is not that nice. Okay, short-term trend is not that nice because it do have hammer over here, but it didn't show a nice so-called setup. Okay, maybe TTVHB will come back to look into it probably tomorrow. Okay, I want to see how it closed today. Okay, but so far, if let's say compared to others, like just now we checked like FSBM, MBSB, MTech, I think their setup is slightly better, okay, compared to TTVHB at the moment. Okay, so let's do into a few more before I go back to my pullback list. LSoft and YSB. LSoft accumulation. Okay, this is accumulation stocks. Okay, if you want to have something that is low risk but you don't mind to hold a period of time, yeah. Okay, I think LSoft it's good to considering. Now, if let's say weekly chart wise they break above 2040s and volume is increasing, so again this is a so-called a good sign also lah. But momentum wise, okay, probably you need to wait loh. Momentum wise you need to wait. Okay, but if you're focusing long term, I think okay lah. Okay, welcome to choosing. Okay, so next one, YBS. YBS, I think break above. This one need to use weekly chart also. Okay, this one break above this so-called reaccumulation phase. Okay, break above reaccumulation. As far as they are above this support, I think it's okay. Okay, they are above this support, I think it's still good. Again, a stocks that worth to look into if you are into long-term to mid-term. Okay, because YBS seems like the momentum is losing a bit. Okay, going back to my daily chart. Okay, two more lah, QES and Pullback. Okay, pullback completed by QES. Okay, pullback completed. Told me, not sure you are looking for entry exit lah. Looking for entry, your risk rate is not that good. Okay, so looks like here we got one resistance. Okay, which is exactly at the current price. Okay, if you enter right now, probably your risk is slightly higher because sometimes they might do another round of pullback before it goes up. Okay, but so far at the resistance, there's no weakness. Okay, which I think that if let's say they drop back to 20 MA again, I think it's good to focus again. Okay, overall no weakness in the chart lah. So if you are holding, okay, if you are holding already, I think okay. So far not too bad. Okay, for QS. Now, Pullback also completed pullbacks after the reversals from here. Okay, so this one also volume increasing. First pullback, very close with nearest resistance. Okay, but you can actually aim for the next resistance somewhere around 47 cents and a half. Okay, so this is a good area to focus as well. Okay, if you're looking into Pullback. Okay, yeah, that's the counters from the comments below. Okay, let me go back to my pullback alerts. If let's say I see anything new or not, if not, we're just going to end my section here today. Okay, don't know why today also my eyes are a bit dry lah. So cannot stare in the screen too long. Okay, CSC still. Wow, this one's similar like YTR power. Got the gaps with the hammer. Hey, today close back. Okay, if close back is good. Yeah, I have to agree. Pullback is also nice setups. Okay, Pullback, but too many stocks I really cannot focus on, so I just go for MTech for today. Then maybe FSB. Okay, so top point for those who don't have any steel counter, maybe you can consider. Okay, very strong uptrend for me is a bit similar YTR power. Gap down with hammer, but today let's say close above it. I think the trend is still there lah. Maybe we'll go another one more round further. Who knows? Haley. Oh, this one's COB. Oh, I didn't realize that. Because Haley, this one is very illiquid stock. That's why I don't like to follow. But recently, I do notice that they come from it appeared in the pullback alerts quite frequent. Okay, so this is COB. Change of behavior. You can see the candle formation is slightly different. Okay, too bad today is also at resistance already. Okay, so if let's say next few days it drop back to 52 cents, okay, maybe you can watch out. Oh, the other one is data moving already, ma. The other one is ADARAN. Okay, ADARAN. Also in a very strong reaccumulation. So ADARAN. Okay, so this also in the support area lah. So probably again you want to try to play along, okay, with the support resistance. Okay, gap is there, okay, with a shakeout at the bottom. Okay, anything new? If not, I'm just going to end my sections. A, B, and B. Okay, the other one we are looking into is MBSA lah. So MBSA is good. Okay. This one is LBS. Okay, LBS. Qinghin, Qinghin. Okay, let's take the CSGP lah. CSGP last week got a big hammer. Okay, And I heard that belum game over lah. Okay, I heard belum game over lah, but a bit scary lah. So wait for the hammer to confirm first. Okay, pull back lah, but maybe got another one more right lah. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's say there's nothing from this list here today. Okay, probably we'll end our section today. So once again, thank you for joining me in this daily life Facebook section. So if you want to join me tomorrow as well. If you are new to our channel, do remember we have this XIFU Telegram. If you want to have more discussion with us, daily interactions, join our things. Okay, join our things. Okay, join our Telegrams so that we can have more discussion, chit chat inside. Yesterday, heard friends mention, don't know betul tak? Which one? Oh, yeah. CSGP. Okay. I heard also lah. I heard CSGP, FSBM. Oh, yeah, this one. Morning baru dapat lah. Again, I'm not sharing you, ask you to buy, sell lah. Okay, but just that. Shit. Okay. Okay, never mind lah. Okay, this one jalan already lah. Nothing to talk about. Okay. Nothing to talk about, okay? Jalan already, you all want FIFO upper, you use chart lah. Okay, this one jalan already. The other one that I heard is actually I do share. Pasukas, okay. Damn it, this is so fast. Okay, never mind lah. Actually, below 20 cent counter, sometimes a bit scared also lah. You know, like HM lah. Sometimes jadi, sometimes tak jadi. Tak jadi very bad. Jadi very you what lah. You a lot of profit lah. Okay, this one maybe lah. Okay, if let's say now the SIAB miss already ma. Okay, I'm not sure. Let's see how this one goes. Okay. The other one is also this one. This one a bit long term. Okay, this one a bit long term. But I'm waiting for shakeout complete. Okay, again, there are two choices. One, if you enter now, you low risk long, but still we lose money one. Not to say it's 100% safe. You wait for shakeout complete, your risk is higher by higher price, but normally it tends to move faster. Okay, so depends on your style. Okay, this one I did pop my alerts as shakeout area. Once shakeout complete, I will probably look into it. Yes, like Wong said, trade with chart and plan. Okay, anything that we heard. Rumor because sometimes come to you probably already late 1 week already, or maybe by the time it reach you, they got different plan already. Okay, because we are not from the operator, am I right? So well, that's about it. Okay, so again, thank you for joining me. Okay, again, don't forget to hit the like buttons for me. Okay, and I'll see you again tomorrow.